everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is CryptoBook. If you're new here, we talk about real crypto project, early opportunity exchange listing, and of course the risk you must never ignore. So today's video it's very special because we're talking about Coinstore, a fast growing global crypto exchange, and a new project that's getting a lot of attention right now, MTX. Yeah, everyone. Every week, hundred of new tokens launch in the crypto market, but only a few actually make it to real exchange with real liquidity. So, but now a few actually make it to real exchange with real liquidity. And when a project reach an exchange like Coinstore, that's where things get serious. So guys, some lists created, massive hype. So listing created, massive hype. So fail quickly. And some turn into long-term winners. So the big question is, where does MTX real stand in all of this? So in this video, I'm gonna break everything down for you in a simple. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because the last part in where I share my trust, my true opinion about MTX, its future on Coinstore. So if you're ready, let's dive in.
Coinstore is the global cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy and sell crypto, trade spot and futures, join new token launches, and access Web3 projects early. Coinstore is known for supporting early stage projects, giving users access to new tokens, and focusing on community growth. The platform is used by traders from many countries, and it keeps expanding its ecosystem with new listings and launchpads. So when a new token gets listed on Coinstore, it usually means the project is looking for exposure and growth. Now let's talk about MTX. MTX is a crypto project that aims to build utility in the Web3 space. It focuses on digital finance, blockchain-based services, and future ecosystem expansion. The MTX token is used for transactions inside the ecosystem, access to platform features, and future governance use. MTX is designed to be more than just a trading token. The goal is to create real use cases behind the token value. And now MTX is officially connected with Coinstore. Now let's talk about MTX. MTX is a crypto project that aims to build utility in the Web3 space. It focuses on digital finance, blockchain-based services, and future ecosystem expansion. The MTX token is used for transactions inside the ecosystem, access to platform features, and future governance use. MTX is designed to be more than just a trading token. The goal is to create real use cases behind the token value. And now MTX is officially connected with Coinstore. When a token like MTX gets listed on Coinstore, a few important things happen. First, liquidity increases. More people can buy and sell the token easily. Second, visibility grows. Coinstore brings new users to the project. Third, the project gets market validation. Being listed on a known exchange is a big step for any new token. This doesn't mean guaranteed profit, but it does mean the project is now entering a real trading environment. This is where the real test begins for MTX. One thing you'll notice immediately is the MTX logo. The logo represents technology, speed, and digital growth. Brand identity is very important in crypto. A strong logo helps build recognition, increase trust, and create a professional image. Coinstore also requires proper branding standards, so the MTX logo appearing alongside the Coinstore logo is a sign of official listing and integration. Here's the basic process to access MTX on Coinstore. Create an account on Coinstore, complete KYC verification, deposit funds, USDT usually, search for the MTX trading pair. You can then buy or trade MTX directly. Always double check the correct contract, the trading pair, and never follow random links from comments. Use only the official Coinstore platform. Now let me be very clear with you. MTX is still an early stage project. That means the price can be very volatile. There can be strong pumps and dumps, and nothing is guaranteed. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Do your own research, read the documents, check the team, understand the roadmap. This video is not financial advice, it is only for education. If you enjoyed this breakdown of Coinstore and MTX, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions in the comments. I always read your comments and reply. This is CryptoBerg, stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.